but for the vast majority of people, I believe you can manage your money yourself, and you should.
Is that really true? Would you try to build a house on your own? What's the line between DIY and disaster in your financial life? Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ando, and I am a financial advisor. Until I became a financial advisor myself earlier this year, I must admit, I really didn't know what they did. Most people think financial advisors just manage investment portfolios, but that's only a small slice of what we do. We help you tie together all the different aspects of your financial life and put it together into an actionable plan. Focus areas include cash flow planning, saving for retirement, life insurance planning, and estate planning. Think of us like a personal trainer, constantly monitoring your financial gains and helping to coach you to the next level of financial fitness. Who needs a financial advisor? Most families could benefit by getting at least a single session with a financial advisor, if for nothing else, to get a second set of eyes on their finances and to make sure they're on track to achieve their financial goals. But an ongoing relationship with a financial advisor is probably unnecessary as long as you follow these principles. Spend less than you earn. Obtain term life insurance coverage for yourself and your entire family. And consistently max out your Roth IRA and 401k. Bonus principle, keep watching Ando Arashi to improve your financial literacy. What about people with a lot more complexity in their lives, like small business owners and people nearing retirement? Well, I will go back to the barn building analogy.
For example, consider my basement in my own home. We wanted to go from this to this. While I applied my skill set in plumbing to replace the hot water heater, I knew that was the limit of what I could accomplish on my own. Hiring a professional for the remainder of the job was a great investment in time and money, as he was able to leverage his experience to see 5 steps ahead and keep the project under budget and on schedule. And look at the results. There is no way I could have done this on my own.
I believe the same principle applies to financial advisors. Small business owners and high earners should focus on what they do best in their careers and hire a financial pro to build their wealth. At this level of the game, there are too many rules and variables that most people won't be able to figure out on their own. The relationship with a financial advisor can be a single session, but these sorts of people would benefit most from an ongoing relationship. What should you look out for when hiring a financial advisor?
If they have the heart of a salesman, they're slimy, run. If you feel like you need to have a shower after you met with them, run.
Unfortunately, there are a lot of bad financial advisors out there. If every conversation leads to a financial product sales pitch, then run for the hills. What you want in a financial advisor is first and foremost a great listener. Someone that takes the time and space to deeply listen to your history with money, your money values, and your future life goals. Second, someone who is accountable to you, a person who clearly explains the service they will be providing and actually provides that service. Also, if you need to reach out to that advisor with a random question, then the advisor should call you back within a reasonable time frame. Third, someone who is 100% transparent in the beginning, how they make money, what conflicts of interest they might have, and how their incentives are built to best serve you. Let's talk about the money piece a bit more. Typically, advisors are paid in 2 different ways: fixed monthly fees and assets under management, also known as AUM. The fixed monthly fee is paying for the advisor's time, like a subscription service. But unlike a cell phone contract, you are not locked in forever. If you want to end the advisory relationship, most advisors only require 30 days written notice. The second category, assets under management, only applies if you require a more full-service approach. In this model, you are paying not only the fixed monthly fee, but also the AUM fee, because the advisor is not only giving you advice, but also managing assets on your behalf. And these fees are not something that we as financial advisors just make up on our own. We have to review our pricing structure at least yearly with our regulator to ensure that the prices are in the best interest of you, the client.
Financial advisors can be fine, but never, ever pay a percentage of assets under management. Never.
In my opinion, this issue is a red herring. Again, we're only talking about the full service approach, and it's 100% optional. Remitz fans use the AUM fee issue as a reason to distrust all financial advisors. Like in this recent Twitter battle involving yours truly. This is just a bad faith argument, since you can get the full benefit of working with a financial advisor under the regular fixed monthly fee model. Our services as financial advisors are highly customized to each person's needs and goals. It's a bit harder to compare our profession with, say, like a wedding planner, where a wedding happens at a fixed point in time, and it's relatively easy to judge whether the wedding was successful or not. With financial advisors, scenarios take decades to play out, such as the person who wants to stop working as soon as humanly possible, compared to the person that likes working and just wants to scale back a little. It's a bit harder to judge success in those scenarios in the short term. And it's often hard to say whether working with a financial advisor is worth it. But I would say it is worth it, because just in the short term, you'll be able to improve your handle on your monthly budget. You'd be able to ensure you have proper estate planning and life insurance coverage for your household. And in the long term, the improvement can often go far beyond that. For example, for small business owners, once they receive proper coaching on entity structure, self-employed retirement plans, and tax coaching, they begin to be able to supercharge their wealth. If this video meant something to you, then Ando Arashi is here to help. We are a veteran-owned, independent financial advisor firm, and all our incentives are built around you, our client. So if you need a financial advisor, or you just want a second set of eyes on the advice you've already been getting, please go to ando-arashi.com to book a meeting. Hi, I'm Ando, and I am a financial advisor. Until I became a financial advisor myself earlier this year, I must admit, I really didn't know what the, oh, hi.
You okay?
I'm good. This is for YouTube, if you're curious.
What is that, internet, right?
Yeah, internet.
I noticed you parked the wrong.
Hey, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Subscribe. Keep watching Ando Arashi for more videos.